Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech again. In this video, we're going to learn how we can use your Apple ID for FaceTime on your iPhone. So apart from using your phone number, you could also use your Apple ID for FaceTime. So that's what we're going to learn today. So in order to do that, tap on Settings, and on the Settings screen, scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. And once you tap on FaceTime, you will see a screen like this. And on this screen, tap on Use your Apple ID for FaceTime. And on this screen, go ahead and enter your Apple ID and password. And once you enter your Apple ID and password, tap on Sign In. And once you tap on Sign In, you should be all set. Now you should be able to use your Apple ID for FaceTime. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day. And don't forget to visit our website northwelltech.com.